Students, how are you all? Myself Ankita Bist, and today we are going to study our new unit of class 4th of GK. Unit number is 7 and name of the unit is Mixed Bag. So student, let's start reading our chapter 42. Name of the chapter is Religious Signs. So let's start reading. Some religious signs are given below with their respected religious name. Let's have a look and recognize the signs with their names. So students, in this chapter, there are some of the religious signs are given. We have to look at them and recognize signs and their name. So students, let's see. First symbol or sign is of Hindus. Second one is for Christianity. Third is for Judaism. And fourth sign is of Sikhism. Fifth one is for Jainism. Sixth one is for Taoism. Seventh is for Islam, and eighth one is for Buddhism. So students, these are some of the religious signs and their names. Let's read fact 5. Judaism is the religious and faith of the Jewish people. This faith began about 2000 BC when Abraham, the father of Jewish faith, left Mesopotamia and settled in Canaan, now Israel. So students, Judaism religion was begun about 2000 BC by Abraham, who is the father of Jewish faith. So students, now we have completed this chapter. Let's move to our next chapter, which is chapter number 43, Visitors Paradise. So students, let's start reading. There are so many famous sites to visit all over the world. Let's see these sites in chapter with their related country too. Let's read and learn about them. So students, in this chapter, some of the famous sites are given which are very famous in all over the world. Let's read about them. So in this book, 2 columns are given. Here below the first column, all the sites names are given, and in the second column, their location is given. Locations means the site where it is situated. So first is Big Ben. Big Ben is situated in London. Second one is Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace is in London. Next one is CN Tower, which is currently present in Toronto, Canada. Fourth is Colosseum. Colosseum present in Rome. Fifth one is Eiffel Tower. It is situated in Paris. Sixth one is Empire State Building. It is located in New York. Seventh is Great Sphinx of Giza. Is Giza, Egypt. It is present in Giza, Egypt. Eighth one is Kaaba. Kaaba is present in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. Ninth one is Leaning Tower of Pisa. Pisa, Italy. So it is present in Pisa, Italy. 10th one is Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore located in South Dakota, USA. 11th one is Pentagon, and Pentagon is situated in Washington, USA. 12th one is Pyramid of Giza. It is present in Cairo, Egypt. 13th one is Sears Tower. It is present in Chicago, USA. Next one is White House. White House located in Washington, USA. 15th one is Statue of Liberty, and it is present in New York, USA. Last one which is given in a book is Lotus Temple, which is present in our country, Delhi, in India. So students, these are some of the visitors paradise or famous visit sites. So let's move to our next chapter, which is abbreviations. Chapter number 44. An abbreviation is a short form of a word or a phrase in which we came to know something in summary. Let's have a look on this chapter to learn these types of briefs. So students, here in this chapter, some of the abbreviations means a short form of any definition or word is given. So let's read and learn about them. So in this book, two sections are given. Here in the one section, all the abbreviations means short forms are given, and in the next section, all the meanings of the abbreviation is given. So first one is AD. AD means Anno Domini, or in the year of our Lord. Next one is AM or PM. So AM and PM is our most common words that we are used in our daily life. It means ante meridiem, before noon, or post meridiem, means afternoon. Next one is BC. BC means before Christ. Next one is BA, means Bachelors of Arts. Next is CO. C/O means care of. Next is small c and m, means centimeter. Next is small e.g, means EG. It means exempli gratia, means for example. Next is ETC, or the full form of ETC is etc. or similar things. Next one is RBI. RBI means Reserve Bank of India. Next one is I.E. It abbreviation of that is. Next is IST. The full form of IST is Indian Standard Time. Next is LTD, or you can say the full form of LTD is limited. Next is V or S, means versus or against. Next is VIP. Very important person is the full form of VIP. Next is RSVP. It means please reply or respondents Silvaus plate. Next is CBI, means Central Bureau of Investigation. Next one is CNG, compressed natural gas. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. Next is NASA, means National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Next is ECG, electrocardiogram. LOC, line of control. Next one is MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. Next is GMT, Greenwich means time. Next is RAF, rapid action force. Last one is PWD. It means Public Works Departments. So students, these are some abbreviations or short forms. Let's move to our next chapter now, which is chapter number 45, benefits of spices. Spices, an aromatic plant which used for flavoring the food. Some of beneficial herbs or spice plants are given below. Let's know and learn about them. So students, spices are very beneficial for our health. In this chapter, we will read about some of the beneficial spices. So let's start reading. First one is carom. It is considered as an instant remedy for stomachache, cold and asthma. It has many health and medical qualities. So students, in Hindi, carom is also known as ajwain. It is very helpful in stomachache, cold or asthma. So student, it has many medical qualities. Next spice is cumin. Cumin in Hindi means jeera. It is rich source of iron, magnesium and other vitamins and minerals. It keeps immune system healthy in our body and also help in increasing insulin sensitivity. So students, cumin is also a very healthy spice which is full of iron, magnesium and other vitamins and minerals. So students, it increases our immunity system also. Let's move to our next spice, which is nutmeg. It is useful for the treatment of asthma and heart disorders. Nutmeg is in Hindi is called jaifal. So it is very useful in treatment of asthma and heart disorders. Let's move to our next spice, which is cardamom, or in Hindi we say choti ilaichi or hari ilaichi. It helps in breathing problems and digestive disorder. It is an accepted fact that chewing a whole cardamom is beneficial for coping with diabetes. So student, green elaichi not only gives aroma or flavor in our food, it also is very beneficial for our health. So students, it beneficial for coping diabetes and digestive disorders. Let's move to our next spice, which is curry leaves. It helps in controlling the blood sugar. They are used as a seasoning ingredient in our kitchen, but undoubtedly these leaves are extensively used in making herbal medicines. So students, curry leaves in Hindi called curry patta are very helpful and have very medicinal values. It helps in controlling blood sugar and it is an essential ingredient of our daily life in kitchen. So students, these are some of the beneficial spices that we use in our daily life. Now we have completed our chapter. Let's move to our next chapter, which is chapter number 46, countries and capitals. So in this chapter we will read about some of the countries and their capitals. Here in this book, 2 columns are given. In one column all the country names and in the second column all the capital names are given. Let's read about them.
First one is Cuba and name of the capital of Cuba is Havana.
Next one is Cyprus and capital name is Nicosia. Third one is Denmark and capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. Next one is Finland and capital of Finland is Helsinki. Next is Hungary and capital of Hungary is Budapest. Sixth one is Indonesia and name of the capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. Seventh is Iran and capital of Iran is Tehran. Eighth one is Iraq and Iraq's capital is Baghdad. Ninth is Israel and capital of Israel is Jerusalem. 10th is Kenya and Kenya's capital name is Nairobi. 11th is Lebanon and capital of Lebanon is called Beirut. 12th is Mongolia and capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. 13th one is New Zealand and name of the capital of New Zealand is Wellington. 14th is Peru and capital of Peru is Lima. 15th is Portugal and capital of Portugal is Lisbon. 16th is Spain and the capital of Spain is Madrid. 17th is Sweden and name of the capital of Sweden is Stockholm. Last one is Thailand and name of the capital of Thailand is Bangkok. So students, these are some of the countries and their capital names. Now we have completed this chapter. Let's move to the next chapter, which is famous couples, chapter number 47. Some famous couples are given below in this chapter. Some of them are from medieval age, middle age and present age. Let's have a look on them and know about the couples. So students, in this chapter some of the famous couples are given which are related to mythological age, some of are middle age and some are from the present age. So students, let's start reading about name of these couples. First one is Ram and Sita. Second is Shiv and Parvati. Third one is Radha and Krishna. Fourth is Shiri and Farhad. Fifth one is Dushyant and Shakuntala. Sixth one is Romeo and Juliet. Seventh is Cleopatra and Mark Antony. Eighth is Delilah and Samson. Ninth is Jane and Tarjan. 10th is Noor Jahan and Jahangir. 11th one is Shah Jahan and Mumtaz. 12th one is Satyavan and Savitri. 13th is Gandhiji and Kasturba. 14th is Kamala Nehru and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 15th one is Dharminder and Hema Malini. 16 is Devdas and Paro.
Last one which is given in your book is Nawab Pataudi and Sharmila Tagore. So students, now we have completed our unit. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.